Hey, greetings everyone. Mr. O is in the building. Yes, yes, yes. And we're going to get right into some science and deal with some solar facts. Solar facts. Um, so I'm going to go over them kind of quickly. I also have them on the board and they are saved online. So you can just go online into our archives and you will see them there. So don't say I'm going too fast, okay? All right, there's a reason for everything, and time is of the essence. So, we're going to learn actual facts, and that will help you know more about your environment because you're going to be dealing with all the continents and you're going to be dealing with people, international relations. The world is smaller now, so that's internationally. Now, if you look at people like Elon Musk and others, they're trying to travel now to Mars and Venus and the moon, right? So we don't know what's out there, and we're going to find out what's out there sooner or later. And you shouldn't be shocked and surprised. You should have a good basic foundation of what is out there, right? A basic foundation of all things in existence, okay? And you just never know. You may be able to trade, do business with other intelligences, other people, other beings in 5 years from now, 10 years from now, could be 5 months from now, could be 20 years from now, I don't know. But I would not be a good teacher if I left you hanging and you were still not dealing with the right technologies and the mathematics that would equip you to have a foundation for your future survival and salvation. Got that? All right. So we're gonna go pretty fast because I already have it in our internet archives. All right. And yeah, afterwards I'll tell you what the assignment is based on the facts. Solar facts. Number one, Mercury is 36 million miles from the sun. Two, Venus is 67 million miles from the sun. Three, Earth is 93 million miles from the sun. Four, Mars is 142 million miles from the sun. Five, Jupiter is 482 million miles from the sun. Six, Saturn is 886 million miles from the sun. Seven, Uranus is 1,783 million miles from the sun. Eight, Neptune is 2,793 million miles from the sun. Nine, Pluto is 3,680,000 miles from the sun. Okay? Now, in my studies, I've seen that Jupiter has discrepancies. So I want someone or everyone to look into that and report back to me, why would you think Jupiter has different discrepancies in the calculations? Okay? Why? Why would that be? Okay? And Pluto, sometimes scientists say Pluto is a planet. Sometimes they say it's not a planet. Sometimes they say it's a frozen planet. It's just ice. Okay? So we want to know what you think about that. And I want you all to research all 9 planets and give me a fact about each planet that we did not speak about here. It could be radius, diameter, weather, atmosphere, size, anything that we did not have here, so we could have a discussion on the solar facts. Thank you for listening. Right now, I'm going to give you a few minutes to do some research. Okay, probably 20 minutes or so, and then we'll have some free time if you act right. All right, so I'm gonna go sit at my desk, and you guys get busy. Okay, I forgot to say on the count of 3. There's the bell. All right, go ahead.